Hi guys, this is Amy from Swaz World. Welcome to our online show again. So today our subject will be the factory tour. You must be very curious about our factory. So today I will introduce our factory to you. Our company was located in Jiangsu Province, Suzhou, Zhangjiagang City. It's not very far away from Shanghai, around 2 hours by car. So if you want to take train, high-speed train station, or you want to take flight, it's all okay. You just go to the Wuxi station. So Wuxi station to our factory is around 40 minutes by car. It's very convenient. And later, after 2 months later, our city will have own high-speed train station. So welcome to our factory. And now this is season for peach. So please come to us, and we will take you to enjoy the very delicious peach. Okay. So start now. I want to show you first in this building, second floor is our showroom for the air purifier and ventilation system. So in the showroom, we're going to show you about the factory history and the products which we already developed and which we already do the mass production. So let's go to our showroom. Okay, so before we go to showroom, I want to introduce about our company for our customers. So we have already cooperated with very famous customers. For example, we have Kelly from Korean market. Also, we have Daikin from Japanese market, and we have Black & Deco from North American. Also, Siltec from the European market. So here is our showroom. So let's have a look. Okay. Now the first part is our company introduction. Our company was founded in 1983, and after 37 years, we group into a group company. We have 2 different industries: auto parts, air purifier, and ventilation system business. And also, we have a lot of certificate and patent here. We got a different certificate for different market. Like we have the ETL for North American and the CE for the European market and CB and so on. So if you have any interest in our products, you just can contact us and we will show you so which certificate we already got. Okay, here is like a history for all the products we have developed before. For example, this one is the first generation for our AP3001. You can see the difference about this appearance and the final design. So finally, we choose this kind of appearance to it makes the final decision. So now for all the mass production or for the back order, we choose this appearance. And we also have some products which can use for the children room. As you can see, this is the desktop one and CADR 150. And we also have some small and very cute different design in this appearance, and we put here in this air purifier. Okay, let's move to our newest air purifier part. As you can see, we have several appearance for the desktop one, and we have the family series. Also, we got this one. This one is very big, and CDR is like 300, and it is a series like the same 1 to 11. Its appearance is just the same, but a different size. Okay, so if you want detailed information, you just keep going to see this video and don't go to anywhere. So we will show you the specification later. Okay, so here is some filters we just put here. And as you know, we have different filters levels for the HEPA, like H12, H11, and H14 something. So if you need any requirement, just contact us. And here is the car air purifier. As you can see, we have this AP001. We have the this machine can play the music because we have Bluetooth speaker inside, and for other designs. And here is like family series. we developed this kind of appearance here, and finally we decided to open the mood for our AP006. And also we have different appearance. We have the black vision and we have the white vision. Okay, so let's move to our small smoking test bin. So I just want to do some small tests for you, okay? For example, first I close the air purifier with the remote control. Yeah, just I close it. And after that, I put the smoke full of this test room. And you guess, like how many seconds, not minutes, how many seconds this machine can just purify all the smoke over. Okay, so let's open the machine and we adjust the fan speed to the highest one. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, now it's highest one. It's like 5 seconds. The machine can clean all the smoke, and it's most powerful. So this is most powerful AirSAR series AP301. So if you like it, you just pick it. Okay. Okay, let's move to the next part. Here is some front panel. As you can see, we can do the different design for the front panel. You just give us your thinking, or you just let us know what you want. We have the appearance that for the domestic traditional parts, and we also have some very fashion parts, and we also have just one color parts. So if everyone you like, you just contact us and you just give us your design, or if you just give us your idea, so we can make sure for it. And here we have our ventilation system. As I told you before, the difference between the ventilation system and air purifier is that air purifier is the indoor air cleaner, and the ventilation, we can exchange the air. We can solve the CO2 problem, and we can give the fresh air from outside to inside. Okay, here is our first model for the ventilation. We modify it. As you can see, the appearance is the same like AP001. We just modify it to the ventilation, and this is like omnidirector ventilation system. We only use one pipe here, and I want to show you how to open it. Yeah, we just use this control, remote control to open this machine, and we just press the ventilation button. As you can see, yeah, this part just come here, and we have the fresh air from the outside, and we have a small exchange. So if you don't want to use the ventilation button, you just close it, and now it turns to the air purifier. So it's very simple and very useful. Also, as you can see, it is like wall mounted. So first, you can take it as air purifier with wall mounted. It can save your space. Second, you can just take it as a omnidirector ventilation system. So you can just exchange the air. So it's very easy. And you just need to, installing the pre-filter, and you just close the control panel. Okay, let's move to our next part. Now we have several series about our ventilation system. So later, maybe tomorrow, we will show you the detailed information here. And also, we do the OEM for higher brand in domestic market, and also we provide the service for our Korea partner, so which we can use the ventilation with the plant together. It's very interesting. If you want to see more information, you just contact us. Okay. Okay, let's move to our auto parts showroom. As you can see, there we list all the products we produced before. And for auto parts, we start our business from 1983. And now we do all the material, we do all the plastic parts for the purifier we did by ourselves. We use anti-UV materials, and we use ABS from LG, so it can make sure the quality, and also it can prevent the using environment to harmful for the material. So after you use like 8 or 10 years, the machine will not turn to yellow. Okay, so here is our showrooms. Let's move to next part. So for next, I want to introduce about our test rooms. So in this building, third floor, we have our CADR test room. As you know, the CADR is the most important part for which you want to mention about one air purifier. So we have a 30 millimeter test bin, and we have a 3 millimeter test bin for the CADR. And we will use in the 2 period. First is we will use it when we develop this machine, so we will test it. And the second, when we maybe change one filter and we want to modify some value about CADR, so we test it. And the third, after we finish our bulk goods, so we will just pick some products from our mass production, and then we test it. So it's like so we will do the final test about the CADR in our own CADR test room, and the value is exactly the same, which we mention the same Chinese standard with other test area. Okay, so let's move to the third. Yes, let's move to the third floor. Okay, in the third floor, we are not only want to introduce about our air purifier test bin, but also we have another test room for our new business for our parent company Inrui Industries. Okay, here you can see we have the test temperature and the humidity test room for the fabric. And also now, as you know, we are start our business for the face mask and some fabric. So if you have any requirement, just let us know. Okay. Okay. Here is the 30 millimeter air purifier test bin here. So we just put the CADR over hundreds. The machine we will put here to test the CADR. Also, we will test about the sensor, sensor stable situation here. And also, we have the 3 millimeter CADR test bin. So we will test our desktop and car air purifier here. And we have the this machine is to test we will put our PCB and the machine here and we set the temperature like less than 20 degrees and lower than 20 degrees and higher than 80 degrees. So we using running at like 72 hours to test if the machine is stable or the PCB was stable, like aging test, but over the normal situation. Okay, here is our test room, and later we will show you in our factory workshop. So later we will show you our more small tools for tests. Okay, let's move to the 5th floor. Okay, in the 5th floor, we have all the office here for our company, and we have sales team here and the purchase team, and also we have a R&D team. For R&D team, I just want to mention that we have 2 independent R&D team. One is for ventilation system, and another is for air purifier, and we have 6 persons engineering in these 2 teams, and the leader of the teams will already work in this period over 10 years. So we have not only can do the OEM, but also we can do the ODM for this air purifier and ventilation system. So here is our office for our 3 different teams. So if you want to do the OEM service, or if you want to do ODM service, welcome to contact us, and welcome to Smart World. So let's move to next part. We will show you about our factory workshop.